Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make these really popular teacher coasters. They are so cute, and they're really, really easy. Alright, so I am mixing up a 2-part resin. If you are unclear as to what resins are for what job, I do have a resin video that I can link down below, and it goes over the 6 different types of resins and what brands I prefer from there. So this is a tabletop resin. Everything I use in this video will be linked in the description. And as far as like the stuff that I put in there, I will link the bulk ones that I bought and then just the small ones that I bought. If you follow me, you know I'm frugal, so I'm always looking for deals. The pigments, the purple and blue are from Eye Candy Pigments. Use this code right here for 10% off, and the black is from Nita's Fluid Woodworks. That's my black pigment. So the blue and black were custom orders, and I added in the purple just because it's my favorite color and I love this purple. Alright, so let's get this all mixed up. This is a tabletop resin. Like I said, I didn't want to wait for the casting resin to cure twice, so I'm just doing this one first. And this will be dry enough in about 12 to 14, 16 hours, depending on what resin you choose. But the one I chose is about 12 hours. So this is Moss Epoxies right here. Alright, so we're going to get the black in. And I didn't measure anything out. These are 4-inch round molds. I will link those down in the description as well. And I'm just doing enough to cover the bottom. And I made sure that the dye and the pigment that I put in there was enough for it to be opaque. And that means that you cannot see through it. So, alright, so I'm just reducing the surface tension by pushing the resin where I want it to flow. And once you do that, then it'll go like where you push it. So that's called surface tension. Alright, so here I am adding crayons and safety pins, or not safety pins, paper clips and folder clips. I got these cute little smiley face and winky face. They're kind of like emojis. Folder clips. Some pencil eraser tips and some of the bigger rubber eraser tips. They are so freaking cute. Alright, so I'm just like strategically putting stuff in here as I think it looks good, and you guys can do whatever it is that you guys want to do. I was just doing what I personally think looks good. So use my stuff as inspo, don't use my stuff as inspo. Like, whatever you like, whatever your style is, you'll figure that out as you go. If you're new to resin, you'll kind of get a gist for it. I could have swore I ordered pastel colors, but hey, it is what it is. I'm going to dump them here so that way I can choose my colors and my faces. So I thought these were so cute. They got a little winky eye and a little smiley face. Let's see what else. Is that it? They got like a blush face thing. I ordered the small ones and then like a super happy face. These are cute. Alright, we got winky. We got smiles. And we got super happy. We got hearts. Oh, they're upside down hearts. Okay, let's put these in. I'm gonna link everything below. Everything. They're so cute. So cute. I think the only ones I'm putting these in are gonna be the ones that don't have the big erasers in. So we'll go like this. Like this. And like Alright, so I did have a problem with the crayons floating. So I'm going to drip and drip right there. And then I'm going to spray. And I'm going to drip and drip. And as soon as it drips down, like that, I'm gonna spray. All CA glues are not created equally. Some of them will foam and fizz and just do crazy things. Drip down. There it goes. And this one. Drip. Drip. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna get these poured out. Just covering the surface of everything. Alright, so we're gonna demold tomorrow. Stay tuned for part 2.